Right. Now let's have the section turquoise. Yon. And section zircon. Okay, maraming salamat. Natin magipang-invite karon that will be presenting right here in front of us. Kasi sila ang nihatag, sila ang source of maybe love and kanang lessons during your high school, Ma'am Angel. Just to honor these legends nga nitabang sa inyo nga ni-survive mo hangtod karon sa punto sa inyong kinabuhi. Kaya this is the blend of pagkamapasalamaton ug kung unsa kanindot ang nahitabo sa inyong batch within the year. So, we are going to give something to these faculty members that we invited right here. So, atong tawagon, Ma'am Angie.
First in the line, we have Mrs. Miralita Escarillo. Ma'am, she is our Youth Development Training Teacher and Social Studies 1 and 2. Ma'am, do the honors here. May we request Helen Martin. Ma'am, ang teacher mo rampa. All right. We also have Mr. Just Carillo, the band master. May I request Dominic Cabang?
Murag date din yung duha karon, Mr. and Mrs. Carillo, no? You just received a bouquet of flowers. Fresh flowers.
We also have Mrs. Melba N. Nuyad. She is the advisor of third year Ruby and Social Studies 3 and 4. May I request Ariel Apolonio? Mrs. Epifania Gutierrez, first year advisor and our science teacher. The bouquet will be given by Matet Llamas. The assistant librarian during our time. Miss Aida Baliscao will give the bouquet. Ladies and gentlemen, these are our mentors. A big round of applause.
I would like to give thanks those bouquets that we just gave to our heroes right here are from kanina to, ma'am?
Pararais Flower Shop, owned and managed by Engineer Ronilo Ampolocchio.
And of course, the souvenirs are from Mr.
Dominic Cabang.
Dominic Cabang. Palakpakan naman natin, we give the spotlight to our living legends or your heroes on your batch. Kasi lagi ni taon nga ni hatag o nitabang to mold you kung unsa mo karong adlaw or kung unsa mo karong puntuha sa inyong kinabuhi, ladies and gentlemen. Because these are your guiding lights sa inyong batch way back then during your high school days. Okay, palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen, batch 84. Your teachers, kulang kayo inyong memories sa inyong high school years or high school days. Kung wala niya nga ang
Sir,
mga...
diha lang sa mo, sir.
Mga inyong mga teachers nga na din sa atong atubangan. So dapat lang i-honor na to ang ilang presensya karong hapuna. Up next, kabalo ko, you are titled by sectioning sa inyong batch reunion. It's your time to present your section or kung unsa paghihapon ka ligon ang section sa inyong batch. Because we will be jumping into the presentation of the different sections of the batch 84. So, inigtawag na ko sa inyong section mo. Doon lang mo diri dapita sa atubangan. Tapos, you're going to give just somehow insights kung unsa ang naa sa inyong section. Unsa ang pinakanindot nga memories na inyong i-share karong hapuna. Mamili lang mag-spokesperson sa inyong section just to share something. Kung unsa ang pinakanindot nga memories together sa inyong section kaniadto nga inyong ikadalit or kapaambit karong hapuna. Okay. Unahin natin from section Sargonics. Pero before that, while you are still preparing, let's have the photo opportunity first from the faculty members. Okay, sino ba ang official photographer natin ngayong hapon? Just to give the best shot to our faculty members right here.
Hello. Sardonyx class, please.